Hey there, Lori Conrad here, and I'm going to talk about what residual income is in this video. My last video was what is leverage, and it's good to know about the two together because they kind of go together when you're in any kind of network marketing company or direct sales or even affiliate marketing. Make sure you watch the video also on what leverage is. But residual income is what you have when you actually do something once and then you get paid over and over and over again. You know, it's another way to have passive income. Excuse me. And the way towards wealth, you know, financial wealth, is actually to get paid when you're not working and to have income coming in whether you're doing something or not. You want to get rid of the whole model of trading time for money, which is what an hourly or salaried, you know, worker is, what an employee is. So when you're a business owner, you can make residual income. And a great example of this is in a network marketing company or direct sales. You sign up a customer and they use your product, but they don't just buy your product once, they buy your product on a regular basis. It's a consumable product that they're going to use over and over and over again. They're going to, you know, they're just repeatedly going to continue to use your product. So what happens is when you sell, you know, and bring a customer on, oops, that was my crutch, you get a percentage of the sales every month when they purchase the product over and over. So that's residual income. It's like royalties. It's like the Beatles when, you know, a song plays on the radio. They recorded the song once and it gets purchased over and over and over again. They get paid over and over again for every time it gets played on the radio. So you have the ability to have residual income, and you don't have to be able to sing like Michael Jackson or the Beatles, you know. You can sell just a product that people love to consume, and they're going to keep purchasing it, and you'll get paid over and over. So in the Internet Lifestyle Network, in ILN, we have memberships that we sell where we have trainings, and we also have blogs, unlimited blogs. So in the apprentice membership, I bring an apprentice in and I get paid every month when as that person keeps their membership every month. And then we also have the pro membership, and then we also have the TLA membership. So it's up to about $200 a month residual income that you can make on one on one customer. So if you're interested in hearing about that, let me know. There's contact info below. But what's really important is that you want to be in a business where you have residual income, where you have passive income, so that you can spend your time with friends and family and spend your time doing things you really want to do. So I hope that helps you. I'll see you on the next video, and take care.